Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, and I used to be a TV host. This is Ann Patricia Lorenzo, your queen from Manila!
But have you ever met? But have you ever met? Jenny.
Candidate number 35, graceful and golden, with roots from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Introducing Queen from the heart of Manila. She exudes confidence. She exudes couture. Queen Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz. In a breathtaking gown by Alison Castro and Bea Moralina. That's candidate number 13, Queen Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz. Candidate number 41. From Why Don't You Deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Your 45 seconds begins now.
If there's one reason why I don't deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown, it's just because I know that I am not able to compete in Pattaya, Thailand. It's just because I want to give the chance to others, especially for the young generation, just like the candidate number 48. She's now trying to build her dreams. If I'll be given a chance to give chance for her to build her dreams, I will lend my hands, because you'll never go wrong by making or building a dreams that it can benefit to others. Thank you so much.